Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for King Mix-Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you know how we do, we're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but just a couple of topics we want to get into in the night. First, we'll start off with Likkle Vybz, Vybz Kartel's eldest son. As you can see, it's being reported that he has been taken into custody by the police. Honestly, I'm not sure why he got taken into custody. If you know, you can put it in the comment section and help me out. But I do want to give my opinion on the Palmers, at least when it comes to Vybz Kartel's sons, with Shorty. You see me say, I don't want to say they're being targeted, but they're becoming quite familiar with the law, whether for good or bad, as this is like the third encounter in less than 12 months a year that they have been, you know, I don't want to say targeted by the police, but in some cuss with the police, you see me say. And most likely they are being watched, like how you have hip-hop police in America. I'm pretty sure you have dancehall police and, you know, some police that specifically, you know, watching this family, you know what I mean? Because it seems like them a public enemy, #1. But anyway, people, let's give you a quick update on what I want for that to go on, and put in the comment section if you agree with me. Is it a good look for the Palmers to be, you know, this type of familiarity with the law in less than 1 year? You know what I mean? Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Yes, that's about Queen Lady Gangster being assaulted allegedly by Ricky and him nurse mother, where they they told her to fear her mother in front of, you know, fear mother. You see what I say? You know, this is pertaining to her vehicle, because, you know, she's in the renting vehicle business. Yeah, so like I said, it looked like she didn't want to put out fear version, because, you know, the first version that they go out, it make her look like a mad woman as usual. You know what I mean? So let's take a look at that initial video that we all saw. Yeah, so put in the comment section if you're up to date with the story. If not, go up on the Boom Bye Bye TV channel and check out the video. A lot of people were saying that Ricky is right. Because who in their right mind would, you know, want to drive back the owner of the vehicle like 4 hours away and all of these stuff? I'll be a bagger, you see me people, but I'm just giving an update what I'm going for that to go on both sides of the story. Well, both angles of the video footage. You see me yeah, let's proceed. Okay, people, the donkey lady is back, and Andre Stevens has responded to Dion. Yes, the farmer who asked Prime Minister Andrew Holness for the donkey. They're saying that she is taking, you know, talking or check, or, you know, people is, you know, talking in her ears since she have a platform now, you know what I mean, for disrespect Andre Stevens, you know what I mean, who is not dissing her, but using the donkey, so, you know, I don't want to say Andre. Too much Andrew, you know. I don't want to say he's dragging Andrew Holness, but he's using the donkey as an opportunity to spread awareness of the infrastructure in Jamaica and how deprived the people is. So before we get to his response, this is what they're saying, that he is getting this by the lady now because, you know, she's getting a teeth from Chris Tufton.
I have heard that I was invited on a class, partner jar, but I won't be attending the class because my children need me to provide their dinner for another day, and also my chicken want to live for another day, and also my farm want a growth for another day. So I won't be able to waste my time to go in any partner jar class to indulge with anyone, because I have heard over the period of years that he who destroy others on their way to success, destruction shall meet them at the gate. So I do not want no destruction. And all my lifetime I have been working very hard to pay my partner jar, so I won't look for anyone to destroy to pay partner. Okay? So this is where my fans, I want to tell you that I won't indulge in anything of a sort with this young gentleman. that is seeking for me to create chaos in my life. I just want a simple and happy and free TikTok page. So all my followers and my friends, I am asking you, please do not invite his page and bring it over my TikTok page. I just want to keep it simple and clean. And you don't worry about my teeth, because I heard that Christopher Tuftant is helping people with teeth, and I think that he will give me the help after all this. So listen, I don't have the time nor space to attend your partner jar. I rather to use that time to go plant pumpkin, sorrel, corn, gungo, potato, and callaloo, and attend to my livestock. In the night, at that time, prepare myself to bed, and then prepare myself the next day for work, as long as the good Lord bless me with a shower of rain. So I won't be attending your class, and I won't waste my time with you anymore, because I just see you as a very loose cannon out there that's seeking for a soul to devour. So I won't give you the time nor the space. Okay? I don't deal with children. I rather to deal with the growing up persons, because of growing up have good things and good morals to teach us as good lesson. So I won't be wasting any time, and I won't be attending your class. And listen to me, peoples. I don't want to know anything of a sort that he put on his platform. No, no, no. I won't attend. Okay? This is not an invite for me.
So he said, Donkey Lady, so you really bring me down to get free teeth from Chris Thompson. Donkey Lady, was that a contract? Jamaica, listen to this. Murder, Donkey Lady, Dion Blake, work for free teeth movement. People putting out the comment section, what do you think about that? I see now another trending topic I say out there is Nicki Minaj and Britney. And you know the saying, some people frighten for people money and turn fool. Well, that is true, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, you know, say Britney ended life and Nicki Minaj while she was being gifted with money. Boy, Brit, when the big spender them come through, man, you feel let them splurge on you. You feel me? Boy, oh boy, but let's take a look at what go on, and then we'll get to my opinion.
Hold on. Me mama glad. Me gone. Me get nervous.
Yeah, in my opinion, maybe she get frightened. Maybe don't know. She never want nobody to set her up and say how much money she get. Boy, I don't know, you know. But if I did me wouldn't end the life till Nicki Minaj say, you know what, with cash out. Even though, you know, the queen money bank can't done. You see, I say, putting in the comment section, how would you react when the big money spender them I spend? You see, anyway, let's proceed to the next. Now, time for some serious news, people. You know, there's a search for a hotel worker accused of raping an American visitor. Yes, the story is 2 days old, and I'm not even sure if they even located the individual, because I don't hear nobody talking about it, you know what I mean? And it's kind of messed up because we don't know what Guan for not Guan. As you can see, this is the story. The Area 2 police have launched a search for a hotel employee accused of raping an American visitor. The incident happened Wednesday in St. Mary sometime after 6 a.m. And, you know, the news people then was informed that the 24-year-old American, who is a marketing officer of Oakland, California, went to a party with a hotel worker and somewhere between St. Anne and St. Mary. You see, it was alleged that while returning from the party, the suspect had, you know, sexual intercourse with her against her will inside his car. The American was taken to a hospital where she was medically examined. A senior investigator told the news people that the cops have been searching for the hotel employee, but remains at large. You see, boy, people putting at the comment section what do you think, because as you can see, people in that comment section have different opinions. You know, some say, you know, he's innocent and, you know, she's a liar. And some say, you know, she shouldn't have leave. Why? Me just want to know, say, there's an alleged rapist out there. So I'm going to be safe. I don't know what hotel it is. If you don't know, I'm going to put in the comment section. You see what I'm saying? But anyway, people know not long about this, not long ago, just they want to give them quick update, walk on. You see me? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop the latest. Bless.